So our next question is asking us to find out the solutions of x squared is equal to negative 13 x minus 4. All right. Okay. So in these questions, we notice that we are not be given the what we call the standard form of quadratic equation. So we need to convert to that first. So we just simply move everything on one side and leave a 0 on the other side. So in this case, it will be x squared, since it's negative 13x, so it becomes positive 13x to the left side. And since it's negative 4, so it will become a positive 4 on the left side as well. So we only have a 0 on our right hand side. And now it follows the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the reason why we're converting this is because we want to apply the quadratic formulas. And yeah, so let's how we apply the formulas. So x will be equal to negative b positive positive negative root b squared minus 4a times c over 2a, right? So we know in this case a is equal to 1, since because abc is just a coefficient of these three terms. Oops. And b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 4. So let's substitute the number in. So x will be equal to 2 times 1 negative 13 would be 13 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 4. And let's simplify that. 2 times 1 is just 2, and we lose negative 13 there. So 13 squared will be 169. Minus 4 times 1 times 4 will be 16. Right. So we have negative 13 root 153. Right. Over 2. So our two solutions will be x1 is equal to plus 153. Negative 13 minus 1 root 153 over 2. It doesn't matter what the order is. You can also say negative 3 minus root 153 over 2 will be x1. It doesn't really matter. Okay. And before jumping to next questions, just want to have a couple things to mention. So always remember to convert it to the standard form whenever you want to apply the quadratic formula. And also there's going to be another type of questions ask you how many solutions there are there. And also you can use this way to check your answer. So remember this part. At the beginning when we apply the quadratic formula, b squared minus 4ac, right? So after we calculating b squared minus 4ac, if this number is greater than 0, we're always going to get two different roots, x1 and x2, where x1 is not equal to x2. And also, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, we're still going to get a result. But this time, we have x1 is equal to x2. So they are same roots. And also the third situation will be b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Right. So in this case, we conclude x1, x2 does not exist. Yeah. So in this case, you can tell the 153 is definitely a positive number, which is greater than 0. So we have two different x1 and x2 here. Right. So let's see what the junior tutors got. Negative 13 plus root 153 over 2, right? Negative 13 minus, right. Answer is correct. Good work.